you for coming to my channel. My name is Dahlia and I am going to be showing you how I do my keto coffee. Now I don't know if this is the right way, but this is the way I've been doing it, and so far it's been keeping me on ketosis. You're going to start off with pouring 8 ounces of boiling hot water into your glass. Here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Now if you have coffee in the coffee maker, then you can go ahead and just make your coffee like normal. Next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and I got this from Walmart. So I ended up finding these Jordan Skinny Syrups at TJ Maxx, and so far it's 0 calories, 0 sugar. Like I said, I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but so far it's been working. And here I'm only going to add 1 tablespoon of that syrup. And I'm going to finish it off with 5 to 6 pumps of whipped foam. But that is all, guys. This is super simple. I enjoy making this every morning. It's so much fun to create little barista recipes. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I plan on making more keto videos. Any more suggestions, please leave in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.